Handa kong gawin ang lahat, makapiling ka lang. Kaya babalik sa'yo. For today video is ituturo natin yung kantang Babalik Sa'yo by Moira Dela Torre. Ayun. So, babalik sa'yo. Pero take note guys ha. Yung ex mo hindi na babalik sa'yo. Pero take note guys ha. Yung ex mo hindi na babalik sa'yo. Ha? Ayuanag ba yun guys? Pero joke lang eh. So hello guys, welcome ulit sa ating guitar tutorial, and for today's video is ituturo natin yung kantang Babalik Sa'yo by Moira Dela Torre. Yun, Babalik Sa'yo. So, ituturo natin yung chords step by step. By the way guys, yung ating kapo is nasa 4th fret. Kung wala kayong kapo, pwede din alisin nyo na lang kung depende sa inyo kung mas okay sa inyo yung mas mababa or mataas. Pero yung nasa 4th fret talaga yung tamang tono. Yun guys. So, ituturo natin yung chords of C, E minor, A minor, G, and F. So, let's proceed guys. Ano nga ba yung chords of C? Yung index finger natin nasa 1st fret, 2nd string. So, ito yung 1st fret natin. 1st string, 2nd string. So, yung index finger natin nasa 2nd string, 1st fret. And itong ating middle finger nasa 4th string, 2nd fret. And then itong ating ring finger nasa 5th string, 3rd fret. Yan, chords of C. Nalagay ko na lang dito guys. Ito yung chords of C natin guys. And then, punta tayo sa E minor. Yung dalawang daliri natin guys, yung ring finger at saka yung middle finger. Yung middle finger natin guys, nasa 5th string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th string, and then itong ating ring finger nasa 4th string. So magkasunod lang to guys. E minor. And then A minor. Paano nga ba yung A minor natin guys? Yung ating index finger is nasa 1st fret, 2nd string. Then itong ating middle finger nasa 4th string, 2nd fret. And then itong ating ring finger nasa 3rd string, 2nd fret. So ganyan po yung tunog ng ating A minor. C major, E minor, A minor, and then G. Paano nga ba yung ating G? Yung una is itong ating middle finger nasa 3rd fret, 6th string. Yung ating middle finger nasa 6th string. And then itong ating index finger nasa 5th string, 2nd fret. And then itong ating ring finger nasa 2nd string, 3rd fret. And then itong ating pinky is nasa 1st string, 3rd fret. So G. And then plus F. F or pwede din ito F. Para ba yung ating F? Yung ating index finger nasa 2nd string, 1st fret. And then itong ating middle finger nasa 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then itong ating ring finger nasa 5th string, 3rd fret. And then itong ating pinky is nasa 4th string, 3rd fret. F. So ulitin natin yung chords of C, E minor, A minor, G, and F. So 5 na chords: C, E minor, A minor, G, and F. So guys, yung ating magiging strumming is down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Sa ating mga verse 1 at saka verse 2. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Pero sa ating chorus is mag-iiba kasi yun guys. Mag-half chord. So yung ating strumming is ganun din. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Pero half chords, half strumming. Katulad ng ating chorus. Handa kong gawin down, down, C. Tapos punta ka sa A minor. Up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, ganito guys yung ating magiging strumming. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. 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 Yan guys. So, punta tayo sa ating verse 1 guys. So, yung chords natin sa verse 1, C, E minor, A minor, G, and F. Ganun din. Di naman inaakalang hanap ko noon, ibang iba sa ngayon. Ika'y dumating sa tamang panahon. Ikaw na ba yung dinalangin ko? So, punta tayo sa ating chorus, guys. Handa kong gawin lahat, makapiling ka lang. Kaya babalik sa'yo. Alam, guys. Puso, araw. Punta tayo sa ating verse 2 guys. Sino ba ang nag-aakalang ngunit na dumating, napatanong ako, ikaw na ba yung pinangarap ko? So yung chorus natin sa pangalawa is ganun din yung ating magiging chords sa katulad ng ating verse 1 and verse 2. So yung chorus natin ganun din yung ating chords sa ating chorus 1. C, E minor, A minor, G, and F. Handa kong gawin lahat, kapiling ka lang. Puso, araw-araw. Babalik sa'yo. So, ganun lang yung ating chords, guys. Paulit-ulit lang yung ating gagamitin na chords. Yung sa ating verse 1, sa chorus, and sa verse 2, and chorus 2, ganun din yung ating magiging chords, guys. So, yung mapapalitan lang is yung ating strumming, mag-half chords yan. Katulad ng tinuro ko kanina, yung half chords and half strumming. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. 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 So sa instrumental ba? Basta yun sa pa. Ganun din yung ating chords, guys. C, E minor, E minor, G, and F, guys. So, ulitin ulit yung ating chorus. Handa kong gawin lahat, paibig ka lang, walang hihigit sa'yo. Babalik sa'yo. Tanging ikaw, sigaw, puso, araw. So ayun guys, ganun lang kadali yung chords ng ating Babalik Sa'yo by Moira Dela Torre. So thank you sa panonood guys. Sana may natutunan kayo at kung may gusto kang pagawang tutorial, pwede ka mag-comment dito and pwede ka din magpa-shoutout. So thank you guys. Please like, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel para lagi kang updated sa aking mga videos guys. Thank you so much and God bless.